McNaughton-McKay has redesigned our website to serve you more effectively in all your online shopping, workforce development, and electrical product needs. The improved online shopping experience offers you a personalized dashboard, giving you a 360-degree view of your account. From your dashboard, you can view traditional price and availability. An exciting new feature is your ability to see manufacturer inventory too. You can build standard or custom products using the Rockwell Automation Product Configurator on our site. The new budgeting feature allows you to manage spend at a user, location, or time frame level. With secure checkout, your credit card information can be stored, and pre-selected checkout preferences allow you a faster checkout experience. We can now ship orders where you need them delivered: loading dock, job site, multiple manufacturing facilities, basically anywhere. Returns happen, and now you can initiate them online and follow them through the process. Workforce development is essential to your success, and now you can view training and events by location, type, and category. You'll find a full listing of our services and solutions on our website that our specialists are ready to help guide you through. No matter what industry you serve or the scale of your business, the McNaughton-McKay website is here to make doing business with us easier.